Let's see if this 3D printed Tic Tac Toe game works. It was printed on a Bambulab A1 Mini. It only took around 90 minutes to print. Let's get it off and see if the blocks will turn. It went quite easily. The default settings for the A1 Mini were used: a 0.4 mm nozzle with a 0.2 mm layer height. Please subscribe if you like it, thanks. It can also be used as a keychain. Get commercial access to all my 3D files to sell 3D prints. You might also want to check out my 3D design channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching. You might find other videos interesting too.